Welcome to Cardiff Theosophical Society. I'm Dave Marsland. Well, I'd like to speak here about awareness of past lives. I'm not going to talk about hypnotic regression. That's something that, although spectacularly successful for many people, does run the risk of opening up issues from previous lives that are difficult to handle and perhaps are better left buried until spiritual development makes you capable of dealing with them. Now, I postulate that we're all born knowing more than we think we do, so there are alternatives to hypnotic regression if you want to look into past lives. Now, there's three things here I'm going to suggest that you can meditate on that will bring up awareness of past lives into consciousness in this life. And the first thing I'm going to suggest is meditating on the subject of intuition. Now, do you have an intuitive faculty that's often proved right against the run of play? Do you often somehow know things without being told? Have you always had this faculty? How effective is it? If so, then that may well be based on past life experience, and certainly something to consider. Secondly, emotions. Your emotional response to things. Do you respond emotionally to certain issues? Are certain things very emotive in your life and not others? That may well have a root in a previous life. And thirdly, exceptional ability. Are you good at something? Say you're good at something that no one else in the family is good at. You didn't need much training. You just have a natural flair for. It's really your thing. You've picked it up and you've run with it. Certainly that could well be based on past life experience. So that with that you have three things there to meditate on. But if you're really interested in the subject, I can recommend a booklet by C Jinarajadasa entitled How We Remember Past Lives, and he goes into this subject in much greater detail, and it's well worth reading if reincarnation is one of your pet subjects. Now, C Jinarajadasa, I think it's worth mentioning a few things about him. He was president of the Adyar-based Theosophical Society from 1945 to 1953. In fact, he had an MA from Canterbury University, and he was a Sri Lankan. But he was very, very interested in reincarnation. And in fact, he arranged to die in the United States because he said he would therefore be reborn there. Although that is a highly speculative area. Not everybody agrees that that's possible, but that was what he believed. Anyway, good luck with the meditation, and I hope you've drawn some benefit from this short talk. Thank you.